The question is write a program using pointer. The question is write a program using pointer to read an array of n elements and print all the elements of array. Also find and print sum of odd and even elements of array. To solve this question, first we have to declare some variables which are int I and int n, int pointer p of pointer p of 100, array sum equal to 0 and sum2 equal to 0. Here sum0 is stand for even number of sum and sum2 stand for odd number of sum. Int arr of 100, printf enter the number of elements, scanf percentage %d ampersand and now we are going to start the loop for I is equal to 0, I less than n and I plus plus. Remember, the loop should be start with 0. Printf percentage %d element scanf percentage %d ampersand arr of I plus 1. Its mean we send value of the array to one pointer. Now the second loop is for sum I equal to 0, I less than n and I plus plus. Condition is if arr of I modulus equal to 0, then sum plus equal to arr of I and printf slash n percentage %d element is even percentage %d. First percentage %d is stand for I and second percentage %d is stand for arr of I. Else sum plus than equal to arr of I printf slash n percentage %d element is odd percentage %d. First percentage %d is stand for I as usual and second one is arr of I. The code is almost complete. Now we just have to print the sum slash n The sum of even number is percentage D and sum printf sum of odd number is percentage D and sum 2. Now, I forgot to write here sum 2 because sum 2 is stand for odd number of sum. Enter the number of element 5. First element is 2, second element is 8, third element is 5, fourth element is 3, and fifth element is 7. Now, as we can see, the even number is 8 and 3, and the sum of even number is 10, and the odd number is 5, 7, and 3, and 15 is the sum of odd number.